Hi. Hi, Bob. Merry Christmas. Yay, 2019. Merry Christmas. Hi. Ooh. Hi, baby. Aww. Hi. Hi.
Merry Christmas 2019!
Yay!
Merry Christmas 2019, guys!
Merry Christmas 2019.
Yay!
And an art sword.
Okay.
This
Are you
one
ready?
is mostly sugar and other unnatural edible
I don't know,
ingredients.
you had it then.
Okay, she has this. And then she has this. Where's another one?
Wait, it's on the counter.
What?
Let's slow down though.
Hey,
Baba!
There you go, Baba.
Merry Christmas! We have
Merry
presents
Christmas.
for you!
There you go.
Yay! Okay.
Take
Open.
it.
Okay, check it. Baba gets her presents first because she's the youngest and she wants to go to sleep. And so Tia is gonna help her little sister. Oh my god, exciting! She's gonna eat the paper, Tia. You better take it out. What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Bubble! What are you getting?
What did you
Get the
get?
paper! Wow!
What
Yes!
about
What
this?
is that?
This one. You
Oh
want.
my god, there's
Bubble.
more! Wow.
There.
Oh! Bubble! More presents! What? Wow! Puppy! What is this? Oh my god, look at that! Look at that! Monkey! Wow! Look at the monkey! Oh my god, Bubble is gonna get a monkey! And she gets a bone! Oh wow! What is this? You want it?
No.
No? You want a monkey?
And next one, one more.
One more. You like the bone so much? Oh my god! Oh my god! The food!
Let me.
Baba, look at that! Baba, look at it. No, show her. Bab, snack! 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 Take a snack! Snack, Bobby!
Can I give you a whole one?
Yeah, take her one.
that's what she did.
Merry Christmas, Bob! Oh my god! Mmm! Oh, so many presents! So many presents! Okay, don't have to run away! Are you happy? Dad, and this is yours, all for you.
I kind of want to eat this.
No, put it.
Okay.
Look like really disgusting. How many times are you gonna?
It didn't taste bad.
Okay.
Ah, she likes the bone too much.
Oh, bone!
Snack. Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you have better Christmas music?
That's good.
It's
I don't
good.
want
It's
fucking.
good.
I don't want no jababble schmabble.
Wait, which one's mine? This?
Yeah.
this?
Only that.
I didn't know about that.
Only for me. And only did mine. She didn't do yours.
Because.
She didn't have time.
You're calling me asshole?
Oh! $3! Yay! I actually really needed money. Thank you. Yay!
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Wait, how do I? Oh, I'm gonna tell you, it's like kind of bad. No, you have to open all three.
No, just one.
Oh my gosh, but they're all bad.
It's gonna take forever then.
Do you like it?
Oh, looks like a
It's not real. Do you like it?
simply gentle. Really?
It's tampons. Okay.
Oh, nice for passport.
Forever wow.
Oh, that's awesome. That's a passport cover, right? Oh, that's an awesome gift.
That's what I can do.
And she got me a new one that she is the one who finished.
Yeah, that's why I got her a new one because I always finish them.
Good gifts.
New. Okay.
Yeah, really.
Yes, more. More pads.
All pads. What's inside? Oh, it's a bag. Nice. Damn. Oh, very
Oh, that
pretty.
is cute.
Can I
That's
see?
pretty.
That's awesome. That's so nice.
Bubble, it's not yours. Okay, thank you.
Uh-huh.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Very nice.
Use it for sure.
Are you kidding me? That's really the good part. Oh, I know what it is.
Yeah, I know you do.
Target thing. Is it target thing? Oh,
Oh,
nice,
it's
the
gonna be
mess. Very nice.
Okay, that's good because I will use it for sure.
Okay, that's it. From me, at
Thank
least.
you.
You're welcome. Okay, we are done with Anne from me.
Oh my.
The green one's my dad, and the red one's
And
Anne.
this continues from Tia. I thought it was over.
Okay, let's open
Alright.
it.
Open at the same time.
Alright. It's something matching something. Yeah, man, don't be like I am. What?
Okay, silver.
Oh, we have a matching vantage. Oh, that is so. Oh, that is great. Oh my god, yeah, that's fantastic. That's great. Why am I extra large though? That's a question.
Because it's woman's.
Oh, it's a woman's. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, they're matching sloth pants.
Nice. Thank you so much. That's great.
Okay.
After opening that bottle of what is this? Oh my god. Alright, that's a can. I want to say coffee. I want to say it's a coffee. It's a French roast. Starbucks.
What do you mean?
Oh my god, listen to this. This is I was right.
You wanna know background story? So I found this at Home Goods, and I was
I
like,
love this
I was like, oh my gosh, I'm so happy. I never saw him have any of these. It's so nice to actually have like a whole thing. And I went home and I was getting some like food or something, and I opened the thing and I saw a box of this.
I love this
And that's the
coffee.
one that you have right now.
I love it. $6.39 at Home Goods. Very
Yes.
nice. Guys, I would really recommend this coffee, by the way. It's a fantastic French roast, especially if you like it.
Oh, before you open anything else.
Pour over. Yeah, that's a good gift, actually. Remember I told you I love
Wait. Before you open anything else.
Oh my god, I struggled. You know I'm like sweating like for real. I'm not even joking.
You have to open this. That's also your gift.
I definitely had a lot of time doing this.
I didn't. I did it when I was off from school.
Yeah.
Look at Bubble. She really enjoyed it.
Oh, I think it's a mug. It's a mug. It is a mug.
Do you see how much I wrap stuff?
It's a raccoon.
But it's a raccoon. That's so cute. It's awesome. You can guys. I love it.
Thank you.
Humongous.
So you can make a lot of coffee.
Oh my god, how much coffee do you want me to drink?
I don't know. I saw it was cute.
Anyway,
so.
anybody can drink
Next.
it, but I love it. Yep.
This one. Actually, no. This one. Yeah, the red one.
Yeah. Mine's
Look
not
at it. She
big.
doesn't care about anybody. She just enjoys her speed.
Always.
Yes, good. That was the idea.
Just use scissors. My gosh.
Oh, I think it's a t-shirt. Very, very nice. Medium size. Fantastic. Fantastic. I love it. Thank you so much. That's really nice.
No problem. Next.
Yay. Yeah, you did a fantastic job, by the way, with the gifts.
Really?
Yep.
So useful.
You're good.
Yeah, cause I like everything was kind of like
Everything is very useful.
this is.
Okay, hold on. Let me see. You mean audio? Oh, are you serious? You can chat with it?
Yeah, so you can hear everything from the TV, but instead of always plugging in your mic, you can mute it and unmute it when you want to talk to somebody.
Oh, that is so cool. Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.
It's soap?
Yes.
I think it's more soap. You got more soap, didn't you?
No. Not so.
Did you? Like we were talking about this last week. I knew that it was gonna give me this because it's like, wait.
It's like,
Aw, thanks, Dad.
yes, you don't touch my shoes.
Aw, this is so cute. I will definitely wear this. Thank you.
Try it out. I want to make sure it's gonna be fit, yeah.
Barefoot.
Be careful, don't make sure to wear them nicely.
They're very comfortable.
Very comfortable?
Thank you very much.
Fantastic.
Appreciate it
Fantastic.
so
Man,
much.
The bag is ruined anyways. It's fine.
Yeah, this bag is kind of easy to ruin. Okay, yeah, it is ruined. It is that bad. Are you serious? What is this?
No, I just put it to make it.
That is that which one? Expensive one, the real one.
So Ed you did have enough time to get it.
Yes, I
That's the front, right?
did. Yeah.
That's the back.
Put it in.
Okay, I hope it's my size.
Try
for
it,
now.
try
That
it.
is the one that you try on. You said it's fine.
That's so stupid. He likes it though, it's okay.
Hold on. Can you take this scissors? I want to try it on like with my hair to be like proper. It's a little bit tight.
I know. That's all they have. This is the one that you try on. And then you said it's more comfortable.
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, done for my dad.
Okay.
Is it mine?
It's mine.
No, that is for me.
Oh, our money.
No.
Wow. Yeah. Whoa!
Wow!
Champion.
This is actually so cute!
Nice.
Oh, I like it so much! Thanks, Ed! Oh, this is so cute. I like being a hype beast of champion. Thank you!
Mm-hmm.
Aw, this
Nice,
is so
nice.
pretty.
Look at my.
That's the person who doesn't know how to laugh.
Like Ken's face.
Why any towel? I
Why
don't-
you? Come on, it's a good present. Isn't it nice?
Wait, I'm gonna find something inside.
Isn't it nice?
I don't need socks. I don't like it! I don't want to get socks and towel!
Is that it?
Who want the towel?
Dad, I feel so bad.
Touch the socks.
Oh. Oh. Oh.
Something inside! Something inside, something inside.
Oh my god, it worked well. Don't destroy the sock though.
I can give her to mushroom wrap.
Yeah. Don't destroy the
But
sock.
I am.
The sock is not a wrapping.
To express. It's more shopping now.
That is good. Nice.
Thank you.
You're gonna ask me how much is it?
Oh yeah. How much is that? Oh,
150 and 150.
150 and 150.
You really
Yes.
spent
Really?
$300.
Yeah, this is so materialistic, but
Oh my god.
but I appreciate it. Yeah,
Okay.
it's a
Thank you.
$300.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, first of all, wrapping skills. A 10 out of 10. For the third. Ay, papi. Why more bags inside of bags? No wonder my dad said if you touch it, you can't feel what it is.
Bubbles,
Yeah, I
stop.
knew you will not be able to tell.
Yeah, that's good. Good job on that.
Need towel.
I'm bad with towels.
Be careful.
Okay, I love it. Thank you. What if I'm like that? Okay, I
Ah,
like
the socks! The socks! Are,
Papi,
the socks
stay,
are
you got
following everyone. She
Okay,
already knows
please.
that she needs to look inside.
Well, I felt it the first time. And
The
this
only
time
problem
didn't
is Anne got tricked totally.
and really got tricked, yeah.
Yeah, she
I
got
did
told,
it.
I don't need socks, I don't like this, I don't like... Be careful that she bubble doesn't get the...
Uy, na! Aww, hey, papi! Aww! Oh, this got smeared.
I know, that it's okay.
Aww, thank
This
you!
one is
50?
50 and 100.
Aww, thanks,
You're
Dad!
welcome.
To where?
I don't go to Express that much, no, but...
But you can,
But thank you.
and Anne can go and find something.
Yeah, we can go shopping there, and oh, thank you. I really needed this because I want jeans so bad, like
That
so
was the
bad.
idea. I thought
You open for me.
Oh, I just started recording.
Okay.
Why
Why am
she
I
is
opening?
Just you open it for me.
Wait, a bit. No, this is.
Shoes.
Wait, this is my size.
Ah, she tricked you. Ah.
Wait, oh, you actually got them. I really wanted boots like this for a while. Oh, thank you. I'm getting some shoes. Then my toes come out.
Oh, receipt, take it. Good? Size wise.
Just pull it, it's gonna break.
Hold on, give it to me.
Oh, well, it's gone.
No, it's not gone.
Oh,
Good size?
yeah, it's good size, really good size.
You have to have a very thin sock.
Yes! I've been wanting these so bad because for some reason if you wear this...
Baba, no.
It's so cute.
Yeah, they are so cute. Ah, I got tricked. Thank you so much.
Just to make it happy.
Whoa, look at this. Oh, that's for me? That's for you. Oh, that is so nice.
That's so cute.
Oh, that is nice. Look at this. Are you serious?
Yes.
Oh my god. Are you gonna put it on me? Is it my size? How do you know if it's my size?
She doesn't.
It might not be my size.
Okay.
What if it's not my size?
I think it is.
I think it might not be.
You said it's 7.
How do you know?
Because you said your size is 7.
It's okay to try.
It doesn't look like my size. Does it look like my size? Yeah, it is. That is so awesome. Oh my god. Are you kidding?
How sweet.
Oh, makes me want to cry.
Because I did not buy you when we got married. So I decided to buy you
Just
now.
to cry now.
Oh, is it real?
Look at this, I have the name on it.
Oh.
This is Alec and Bangon. Oh, it's okay. Take off.
Okay. Say bye-bye.